You know, I'm not asking for much. I'll take one of those islands.
Till your eyesight starts to get hazy. Clean out your ears and you open your eye. If you want to hear the music, just come alive. If you don't know how, get ready to learn. Cause Cosmo's taking his turn to burn.
Take a seat, and O in the C, then you add M-O, and a freak and D, add a funk and beat, and then what do you see? It's Cosmo D, yeah baby, that's me. I got the beat, but that's oh so sweet. Without me rocking, it's incomplete. So rock this, yo, rock that, yo, rock on and don't you dare stop. You rock this, rock that, and that's a fact. Jam on crew, rock your body right, rock the steam up a motor right off the track, and the whole wide world of funk attack. To the beat, yo, get down. Let me rock it to the rhythm of the funky sound. From hill to hill, from Z to Z, and when jam on's rocking, everybody screams. Jam on it, jam on and on and on and on it. And if you're feeling like you wanna dance all night, then go on ahead and blow it. Cause jamming on is what we do best. It's what separates us from the rest. And if you don't think our crew's down for real, let me tell you what happened to the man of steel.
Superman had come to town to see who he could rock. He blew away every crew he faced until he reached our block. His speakers were 3 stories high with woofers made of steel. And when we bought our set outside, he said,
real. You said I'm faster than a speeding bullet. And when I'm on the set, I don't need no fans to cool my ass. I just use my super brain. I can fly 3 times around the world without missing a beat. I socialize with extra ladies.
So darn near.
and then he turned his power on and the ground began to move. And all the buildings for miles around were swaying to the groove. And just when he had pulled the crowd and swore he won the fight,
We rock this butt with a 12-inch cut called Disco Creek tonight.
He's not a good partner
When
in crime.
Superman looked up at me, he said,
cannot
you rock
drive the
so
getaway
naturally.
car.
I said, now that you've learned the deal, let me tell you why I'm so for real. I'm Cosmo D from outer space. I can do rock the human race. I do it right because I can't do it wrong. That's why the whole world is singing this song. I jam on it. I say jam on it. As day turns to night and night turns to day, whatever time it is, I wanna hear you say jam on it. I jam on it. I say jam on it. Jam all around and upside down. I keep jamming to the jam on production sound.
Don't want to wet my hair.
Jam on it. I said jam on it. I said jam on is the funky beat that takes control with the short sharp beat that'll rock your soul.
Jam on it.
Jam on it. I said jam on it. Get out of your seat and jam to the beat and don't you dare stop your early morning.
Jam on it.
Jam on it. How is it, Lisa?
Yeah, did you see what he went and caught up and started doing this? You fellas seen my sister Murgatroyd?